Hello बच्चों, welcome here. This is our maths online class. बच्चों, as you can see here, now today I am going to teach few word problems. Okay, so before starting this lecture, here I wanna ask, how are you all? I hope you all are well and you all are take caring of yourself and as well as your family. So, dear bachcho, let's continue our class. So, do you know which chapter is going here? You can see the exercise is written here 12.6. It means that our 12th chapter is going here and the exercise that is written here 12.6. So, here I will teach you few word problem. Those are given in your book, okay? And rest of them you have to practice yourself. So, without wasting your time, let's start our lecture. So the question is written here, that is, first I will read and then I will explain. Okay. A basket contains 5 kilogram 340 gram potatoes, 4 kilogram 490 gram tomatoes and 3 kilogram 680 gram cabbage. It means that the basket have three things. What are these? Potatoes, tomatoes and cabbage. Okay, I repeat, the basket have three things: potatoes, tomatoes and cabbage. So let's see what is the question saying here. So the question is saying that find the total weight of vegetables in the basket. It means that we have to calculate the total weight. We have to calculate the total weight of the vegetables. So bachcho, what should we do here? Tell me, what should we do here? Yes, we have to do the addition. Do you know why? Because the question is asking about the total weight. But whenever the question is asking about like total, in all, grand total, or tell me overall, so in such type of words, it means that we have to do the addition. Is it clear? In such type of words, we have to do the addition. First thing is clear here? Yes. Now let's see how to solve. You can see here, I already solved here. This question for you. Now I am going to teach here. Okay, I already solved here for saving your time. So I am going to teach that how to solve. First, you have to write a basket contains, because we are talking about the basket. A basket contains. Now let's see which types of things the basket contain. So recently I taught you that basket have three things: potatoes, tomatoes and cabbage. So write all the things one by one. First, potatoes. What is the weight of potatoes? What are the weight? Yes, the weight of the potatoes are 5 kilogram and 340 gram. So you can see here, I wrote here 5 kilogram and 340 gram. What is the second thing? Tomatoes. The second thing is tomatoes, and the weight of tomato is 4 kg, 4 kilogram and 490 gram. So you can see here, I wrote here tomatoes, and the weight of tomatoes 4 kilogram and 490 gram. And the third thing is cabbage, and the weight of cabbage 3 kilogram and 360 gram. You can see here, I wrote here, oops, I made here little bit mistake. Here it should be cabbage, not tomatoes. But let me correct it here first. It should be cabbage. So write here cabbage. Okay, CABBAGE. Okay, so I repeat the question. The basket contained potatoes 5 kilogram 340 gram, cabbage 3 kilogram and 680 gram. Okay, don't worry, I am writing here again here. Okay, this was about the cabbage. CABBAGE. Okay, cabbage. It was about the cabbage. And tomatoes 4 kilogram and 490 gram. So these three things are given here. Okay, bachcho, you have to understood well that here cabbage, not tomatoes. Okay, now what should we do here? Total weight. We have to calculate here total weight. So for calculating the total weight, we will do addition. So put the sign of addition. Now let's add. Here the gram is written, so put the gram as it is. All add all zero, so it is 0 here. Now let's add 4, 8 and 9. When you will add it, so it will become 21. So that's why I wrote here 1, and you can see 2 is carry here. 2 is carry here. When we will add 3, 6 and 4, so it will become 30. It will become 30, and then add 2 carry, so it will become 15. So we will write here 5 and 1 is carry here. Write kilogram as it is. Let's add 5 plus 3 plus 4. So it will become 12, and then add 1 carry, 13. So that's why I wrote here 13. So this was very simple calculation, right? So here your answer is 13 kilogram and 510 gram. But we have to write our answer in a proper way. Do you know how to write? First, let's see what is the question. The question is, find the total weight of vegetable in the basket. So bacho, for writing your final answer, your data is hidden here. Okay, you can see, hence the total weight. The total weight. Bacho, you can write the full content like the total weight of vegetable in the basket is. Okay, or instead of writing, you can write just few words like hence the total weight, because we have to calculate the total weight. So that's why I wrote here hence the total weight is how much? 13 kilogram, right? And 510 gram. So write here 13 kilogram and 510 gram. So this is the correct process. Bacho, I am telling here it was my mistake, so please correct it here while you will solve. Okay, so when you will solve, so please correct it there. Okay, now I am going to teach one more, so come ahead. Yes, I hope you all can see clearly here. Okay, so let me arrange it a little bit upward. Yes, now it is okay. So bacho, you can see here, this is the next question. You can see here I marked number 4 because this question is given in your book on 4th position. So that's why I also marked here number 4. Okay, so let's see first what is the question. The question is, Ramesh has 100-meter long rope. But your rope, it means rassi. Okay, rassi. So Ramesh has 100-meter long rope. He cuts 2 pieces from it. He cuts 2 pieces. Focus here, how many pieces? 2 pieces. It of length 38 meter 65 centimeter and 49 meter 18 centimeter. But so it means that Ramesh has 100-meter long rope, and when he cut it into 2 pieces, so the length of 2 pieces are like 38 meter 65 centimeter and 49 meter 18 centimeter. These are the length of these 2 pieces. Okay, so what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate, find the length of remaining rope. It means that बच्चों, question is asking like रमेश के पास 100-meter long rope है and he cut 2 pieces. So after cutting these 2 pieces, how much rope or you can say the length of remaining rope you have to calculate here. Okay, in short you can say the length of remaining rope you have to calculate here. So how to do the calculation? But we will solve this question into 2 parts. Do you know why? Because first we have to calculate the total length. You can see here there are 2 pieces given. So our first step is, first we have to calculate the total length of these 2 pieces. when we will calculate the length of these two pieces, so after that we will subtract the total length from 100 meter. Okay, so this was the second step. Now let's see how to solve. You can see here, this is first step, this is second step. I already solved you. Okay, I already solved here for you for saving your time. So let's see one by one. First step is length of the first piece, that is given here 38 meter and 65 centimeter, and length of the second piece, that is given here 49 meter and 18 centimeter. So write it here. Now let's calculate the total length. But total length, it means that we have to calculate the total length of these two pieces. Okay, so for that we will add here. So that's why I put the sign of plus. Okay, put centimeter as it is. Add 5 plus 8, it will become 13. 1 is carry here. 6 plus 1, 7. Add 1, 8. Okay, so it will become 8. Put the sign of meter as it is. 8 plus 9, 17. 7 here, 1 is carry. Add 3 plus 4, 7, and add 1 carry. So it will become 8. So it is 8. So, bachcho, this is not your final answer. This is the total length. This is the total length. It means that the total length of these two pieces. This was first step. Now let's see. Now Ramesh has rope. You can see Ramesh has rope 100 meter long. So Ramesh has rope 100 meter. Bachcho, you can see here I wrote here these 2 0. So don't focus here first. Okay, I will teach and I will tell that why did I write here. First focus here. Ramesh has rope 100 meter. Is that clear? But he cuts two pieces of length. It means that here we are talking about this length. So write here 87 meter and 83 centimeter. Now you can see here the second part have two numbers like 87 meter and 83 centimeter, but it have only one. So for balancing here I wrote here just 2 0. Okay, just for balancing the situation. Now you can see this is the total length of the rope and this is the length that he cut. It means that for calculating the remaining rope we have to subtract 87 meter 83 centimeter from the 100. So that's why I wrote here remaining rope. So for calculating the value of remaining rope we have to do the subtraction. So that's why I put the sign here minus. Bacho, centimeter as it is. Now let's subtract this 3. So this 0 is very small. So it will take one borrow from here. But this 0 is also small here. So it will take borrow from here. This is also small. So it will take from this one. And this is also small. So it will take from this one. It means that in the whole situation, first this one will give the borrow here. Okay. So this one change here in 10. And this is here now 0. When it will change here 10, it means that it is losing. So it will change here 9. This 0 is taking here. So this is 10. But this is giving here. So it is 9. Okay. And if we talk about this one. So this one is taking from this one. So it is changed. And it will change into from 10 to 9. It means that I wrote here all the number here 0. It is first 10 then 9. Okay. And if we talk about this 0, so this is 10 and then 9. Okay. This is 10 and 9 and this is 10. Okay. So when we will subtract this 3 from 10, so it is 7 here. Here it is 9. So 9 minus 8, 1 meter as it is. Here also 9. So 9 minus 7, 2. And here also 9. 9 minus 8, 1. And you know that this number was giving the borrow here for every number. Okay, so for every number it means that first one give the borrow to the 0 and it is go ahead. Okay, it will go ahead, and 0 is remain here. I know it is complicated, I am teaching here again. Okay, let's start again. Bachcho, this 0 is less than, right? So it will take borrow from this one. It is also less than, so it will take from this one. It is also less than, so it will take from this one. It is also less than, so it will take from this one. It means that in the whole situation, this one will give the borrow every one. Okay, so bachcho, you have to do it just like the simple subtraction that I already taught you. Okay, so when you will subtract, so you will get your answer like that. So your answer will be like 12 meter and 17 centimeter. It is not a final answer. Okay, final answer, it means that key we have to write in words. So how to write? So the question is asking like find the length of remaining rope. So we will write our answer. You can see this data is given here, so we have to copy it. Hence the length of remaining rope is how much? 12 meter and 17 centimeter, this one. Okay, so this is our final answer. So I hope you all understood well that we have to solve it in 2 steps. Okay, bachcho, you can watch this video again and again for knowing the thing more. All right, I hope you all understood well, you all learned well. Now the rest question or rest word problems, those are given in your book. You have to practice yourself. All right, so after solving the word problems, there is one more exercise that you have to practice yourself, because these are the multiple choice questions. Okay, so here finally our chapter completed. It means that I taught you everything here. Now it's your duty to complete the chapter. The rest things, those are remain, you have to practice yourself. All right, now we will meet in the next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. All right, bye bye.